Next method of preparation of aldehyde ketone is Rosenmund reduction. By this method, only aldehydes are prepared. Limitation of this reaction is only aldehydes can be prepared. Limitations, whenever asked about the limitation of Rosenmund reduction. First limitation is only aldehydes can be prepared, and second limitation is formaldehyde cannot be prepared by this Rosenmund reduction. Formaldehyde cannot be prepared. You can say formaldehyde and ketones cannot be prepared. Formaldehyde and ketones cannot be prepared by this method. This is a limitation. These are the limitations of the Rosenmund reduction, that formaldehyde and ketones cannot be prepared. Only aldehydes can be prepared. What is Rosenmund reduction? And it is a very important reaction, named reaction, and it is a very important reaction. When acid chloride, write down. You can write down. When acid chloride are reduced, in the presence of palladium barium sulfate, this is palladium barium sulfate. When acid chloride are reduced by palladium barium sulfate, then aldehydes are obtained. This is acid chloride. Look here, RCOCl is acid chloride. Reduced by palladium barium sulfate, and the reaction takes place in the boiling xylene. Reaction takes place in the boiling xylene. Then what happens? RCHO plus HCl. This is acid chloride and this is aldehyde. This is general reaction. RCOCl and hydrogen comes from the reaction where palladium acts as a catalyst, while the barium sulfate is catalyst poison. It is catalyst poison. You can note this reaction. Regarding the reaction of the Rosenmund, this is CS3COCl. This is acetyl chloride. IUPAC name is ethanoyl chloride. Yes. IUPAC name is ethanoyl chloride. No. Suffix is COCl, sir. Functional group ethanoyl chloride. This is carried out in the presence of palladium barium sulfate in the xylene. This is formula of xylene. What happens? CS3COH plus HCl. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde, or you can say ethanol. when we take benzoyl chloride, this one is COCl. Look here, this is benzoyl chloride. Reduced by this one, same thing here. You will get CHO plus Cl. This is benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. Note it. Next method is by the dry distillation of calcium salt of the carboxylic acid. When calcium salt and the carboxylic acids are heated, they give aldehyde or ketone. For example, when calcium formate is heated, when we take calcium formate, when calcium formate is heated, we get formaldehyde. And calcium carbonate, we get formaldehyde. Form reaction is this one is calcium formate. Heated, we get HCHO plus calcium carbonate. This one is formaldehyde, or you can say methanol. And when calcium acetate is heated, second one is calcium acetate. When calcium acetate is heated, we get acetone. And calcium carbonate is precipitated out. Reaction is CH3 COO whole twice Ca, and heated we get CH3 CO plus CaCO3. This is acetone, or you can say propanone. It is propanone. Next, now when heated the mixture of calcium formate and calcium acetate, first one was calcium formate. When we heat the calcium formate, we get the formaldehyde, and when calcium acetate is heated, we get acetone. Now if we mix the calcium formate and calcium acetate, when we calcium formate and calcium acetate both are mixed to heat, they give acetaldehyde. This is a xylene. When we heat the mixture of calcium formate and calcium acetate, we get the acetaldehyde. This is the reaction HCOO whole twice Ca. This is calcium formate. CH3 COO whole twice calcium acetate. Heated, we get CH3 CHO plus calcium carbonate. We get the ethanol, or you can say acetaldehyde.